So what do we think? Do we like this angle? Okay, I like it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a mini PR unboxing. Okay, to be honest, I already unboxed this package before. So this unboxing is just for you. So I hope you enjoy. So I got this package from UZO Beauty. And I really want to show you guys what's in here. So far I've been using the products and I'm in love. So let's see them one by one. Well, let's open the package together so you can see what's inside. Just look at that. I really love the packaging. You can see from this. Inside the package we have a card and I'm going to read it for you. So here it says, get ready for beautiful skin. And it's beautiful, you can see. The second card, and it reads, it says, this package was shipped just for you. We can't wait to see what beautiful looks you create using our products. I'm already excited. Okay, here we have the UZO Stem Cell Serum Complex. And we also have the UZO Stem Cell Moisturizer and an extra liquid eyeliner from UZO. You can see from the packaging, like, they're amazing. So now I'm going to move on and open each and every of the products one by one so that we can see, so that you can see how it looks. Okay, so we're going to start with the Stem Cell Complex Serum. Okay, and here we go. Just look at that. Look at that. Like, it's so beautiful. Even the metallic feel. It's nice. It's giving like luxury vibes. So now let's open the Stem Cell Moisturizer. Same comments as the last one for the serum. It's beautiful. Like, I love it. Now we are going to move to the eyeliner. Okay, ta-da! You can see it's beautiful. Yeah, it has the same metallic feel. Just let's test it out. You see, going through. It's beautiful. Like, I'm so excited. I can't wait to use it. Honestly, if you are that girly who loves beautiful things the same way I do, then I know you must love this packaging. Like, it's beautiful. Okay, something else that was in the package was these brochures, and I'm going to read them for you. This one is for the UZO Stem Cell Serum Complex. And it says, this is a highly potent plant-based serum. Before I forget, the UZO Beauty products are plant-based. And when I tell you that these are game-changer products in skincare, I'm not kidding. You better believe me, darling. It says that a highly potent plant-based serum formulated with purified botanical extracts in an age-defying formulation which leaves the skin smoother, firmer, revived, and rejuvenated. And that's a fact, because I've used it, I've tested it, and it's for real. So they say developed to boost collagen production, which rejuvenates skin firmness, tone, and elasticity, and smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It provides optimal antioxidant protection by neutralizing free radicals from UVA, UVB rays, pollution, and other environmental aggressors. Onto the moisturizer, it offers the same benefits, but now the only difference is that it illuminates and hydrates. And when I tell you that it does what they say, it's true. And guess what? Like, UZO Beauty is black owned. Like, I was so excited when I found this out. Let's give an applause to our sister. Like, this is amazing. From the packaging to the products and the results, amazing. Love it, love it, love it. And by the way, let me tell you something. Like, do you know that these same products were used on the legendary Tracy Chapman during this year's Grammy Awards? Guys, did you see the way her skin was glowing and luminous? Just take a look. For those who missed that, just take a look. Like, she killed the performance. Her skin looks amazing. So if you want to achieve that coveted dewy skin-like glow, a girlie who's interested in that effective, ethical and stunning skincare, then the UZO Stem Cell Duo is just for you. And girl, don't just take my word for it, experience it. I want you to experience it yourself. Go to the description box where you'll find the link to UZO Beauty, and don't forget to use my exclusive discount code Ivonka15. Don't mistake it, Ivonka15, to get 15% off your purchase. I'm not only plugging you, but I'm also giving you an early Christmas present. Who said Christmas doesn't come early? So you have no reason not to have it, right? So this year is all about self-care, self-love and growth, and skin is a major part of it. So we've come to the end of the video, and remember girl, let's say bye to unhealthy skin and hello to our Grammy masterpiece, darling. Thank you so much UZO Beauty, and thank you so much for also watching. To my viewers, love you guys.